Hello everybody, Dan here, back again for another video. Today, in this video, we'll be playing some Roblox, and as you can tell, I'm on my computer. I finally figured it out. Just don't mind what I was doing there. That was just my account. So today, in this video, we'll be playing some Roblox. So here we are, we're gonna play this. So, I'm gonna get one of my friends on, so let's see here. Don't mind what I'm doing right now. And I hope my friends are... Okay. I'm going on to here. Okay, I'm just talking to one of my friends, so... I'm gonna check my inbox real quick. Hello? Do you mind... Oh, who's that? Do you two mind being on YouTube right now? I only have a little, YouTube channel, just 16 subscribers right now, so. I do! It's called Daniel Ruth Jr. Come on there, Roblox. There's a million, because I collabed with people. I'm not. Oh yeah, I guess I'll, shout out to both of you. Oh, I haven't been on Gmart in a long time. It's so laggy now that I got a new computer. Turn it down. Wait, it's probably because I have my mic so close to my mouth. Oh, by the way, to everyone watching this video right now, headphone warning. I gotta do everything today. I just can't. It won't let me even get on Roblox now that I'm trying to record. Been doing this for 4 minutes now, just me trying to get onto Roblox. You know what? I don't. I have it, but I just don't play on it.